Hello everyone. In this video, I am discussing about cards related questions of probability. Before I start doing it, I am writing general formula of probability. In my previous video, I have already explained that what is probability in detail. So probability is number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now I am taking one question related to cards that are being played. So question is, one card is drawn from a pack of one card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. There are total 52 cards in a deck of cards, right? Find the probability. Now there are various events which are given. We will find the probability. Find the probability that the card drawn is drawn is. Now first part is probability of face cards we can find. Face card. So solution. Do you know how many face cards are there in a deck of cards? There are 12 face cards. As already told, there are 12 face cards. The kings, the queens and the jacks. Kings, queens and jacks are called face cards. So we will write P, ऐसे आंसर करेंगे, P ब्रैकेट में face card. It is equal to, no need to write the formula, it is 12 upon 52. We can do the cancellation with the table of 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So this is 3 upon 13. If cancellation can be done, do it. Do not leave it undone. Now question number next. Find the probability of an ace. So you know well that how many ace cards are there in a deck of cards? There are 4. So probability an ace, it is equal to 4 upon 52. Cancellation with the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is 1 upon 13. Now third part, a red card. Now you know that in a deck of cards there are total 52 cards, 26 are red and 26 are black. So when it is asked to find the probability of a red card, it will be 26 upon 52. You may cancel with the table of 13. 13 2s are 26, 13 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So the required probability is 1 upon 2 of red card. And if it is asked of black card, then also it will be the same. Fourth part, either a red card or king. Now how to do this question? There are total how many red cards? Those are 26. And 2 red kings are also included in that. In total red cards means total 26 red cards. 2 cards of king are also included in that. And otherwise there are total 4 kings. There are 2 red kings and 2 black kings. So the card drawn will be, the meaning of or in probability is to be taken as plus, means and. So we will write P, either a red card or king. Just I explained you that in the total deck of cards, red are 26 and black are 26. So if I have to include king, the two kings are also included already in this 26. Now two more kings or black color are also to be included in this. So 26 plus 2 is 28 upon 52. Cancellation, 4 sevens are 28, 4 ones are 4. This 7 upon 13 is the required probability. Right? Now, next fifth part, a red and a king. A red and a king. Now, solution. We have to find the probability that card should be red and it should be a king. A red and a king. So there are how many red cards of king? 2. So 2 over 52. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 six are 12. So it is 1 upon 26. Right? Now sixth part, a red face card. We have already done the question related to face cards, that the total face cards are 12. Now he is asking about a red face card. So out of 12 face cards, the red face cards are 6. So a red face card will be equal to 6 upon 52. So 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 1 5, 2 6 are 12. So it is 3 upon 26. Now more parts can also be asked according to this, like last part I will do seventh part. जैसे 2 of spades, स्पेड का 2, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे, कितने होते हैं 2 के स्पेड्स? देयर इज ओनली वन कार्ड ऑफ 2 ऑफ स्पेड्स. सो आई हैव रिटन P in the bracket 2 of spades. सो 2 ऑफ स्पेड्स का एक ही कार्ड होता है. सो 1 upon 52. It is already in its lowest terms. Now one more part we can do. Eighth, 10 of a black suit. ब्लैक सूट में जो 10 का कार्ड है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी. राइट? सोल्यूशन. सो P इन द ब्रैकेट 10 ऑफ अ ब्लैक सूट. अब आप ये बताओ कि ब्लैक सूट के 10 के कितने कार्ड्स होते हैं? 10 के ब्लैक सूट के 2 कार्ड्स होते हैं. एक स्पेड का होता है, एक क्लब का होता है. सो इट विल बी 2 अपॉन 52. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 5, 2 6 are 12. So it will be 1 upon 26. So this was a question based upon cards. This question will not be only be helpful for class 8th. It will be used in class 9th and 10th also. Hope you have understood the question. Thank you.